Shock will make sure that he goes no further. MBK down to bomb carrier will be picked off by Rain, but it's a 3-on-1. Rain's going to be asked to do something very special, which he starts doing. That'll be his hat-trick frag, 2 headshots in a shot. Still only those 22 points of health against a fully held Smith, who will lie in wait! Rain delivers and he makes it Rain frag.
If he just stays alive, he should have run into T-spawn and just waited for that bomb, and that would have been a big issue. But now it's Rain and Mikelele 2v4 here, and Mikelele going to go down eventually. Neo to finish it off, and it doesn't look possible here. Rain gets 3 kills though, and now 1 bullet left. The Pansy gets the quad kill. Are you kidding me? Rain, he picks up every single one and takes it to overtime. That is unreal.
Waiting for the rain to come. Who am I to just surrender? I'm not holding back for anyone. I've been holding on forever. Waiting for the rain to come. Who am I to just surrender? I'm not holding back for anyone.
What? Rain!
Rain combine, and Rain from behind gets the second. Oh, lovely play. Rain has a hat-trick of headshots.
If they choose to, but no, Rain looks to hold them busy at doors. Scream's going to throw his out as well towards the same position, not too sure, but he does get tagged down. That's Tabson, relentless with his aggression. That's a double for Rain. It all comes down to one, but he finds it! Rain, 1 bullet and a frag, secured 13, and that shouldn't, but it did happen, and Rain just turns his nose up at Penta and says, this is our round.